Hi everyone, it's Christian here. This is my brand new LSDA, which stands for Locksmith Dealers of America. This is my grade 1 function classroom door lock. What classroom function means it's lets you unlock it or lock it, and you have to use the key to lock the door or unlock the doorknob on the outside of the knob using the key. The whole idea, the purpose of using the key and with this lock is to keep people from locking it on their own. I'm going to show you how it works. Today is Tuesday, February the 17th, 2015 at 5:45 p.m. So this is my very new LSDA classroom door lock. I just got it there 2 weeks ago. The locksmith there rekeyed it on my deadbolt key. That way the landlord can still get in. So it's already up to code and everything. So I'm good to go. So on the inside, knob is always free. It's always unlocked on the inside, whether the door is in a locked position or in an unlocked position. You can always still get out on the inside. It's also a fire safety feature too, because the fire code, the door cannot lock on the inside. You have to always be able to get out on the inside. So what we do is we turn the doorknob and it opens it. You always get out on the inside. And then right now on the outside, the door lock is actually unlocked. It's on an unlocked position. And then on the inside is unlocked as well too. Now in order to lock the door, you have to use the key to lock it. In order to, it's unlocked right now, unlocked. So we have to turn the key from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So we turn the key all the way from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And now it's in a locked position. And then on the inside is always unlocked. It's always unlocked on the inside. It's always unlocked on the inside. So then we'll go out, close it. And this is locked. Now I'm going to unlock the door because I need to get back into my house. And turn it from 6 p.m. all the way back to 6 a.m. Shoot the key out. And now it's unlocked. Unlocked. And that's how she goes, so that's how she works. And there you have it. That's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video, and give me a thumbs up.